What's up, guys? I am pretty excited about this. I talked a while ago about GABA, and in that I introduced a type of tea that I was really excited about called Pu-Erh, which you can get a lot of Pu-Erh in different places, at different grocery stores. I'm seeing it more bottled as well, but it's the tea drinker's tea. I don't know if you know much about this, but I recently bought a compressed block of it, and this came from somewhere in California. And this stuff, it's aged, fermented, and the source year, I believe, is 1962. Okay, so pretty freaking sweet. Really excited about this. Gonna open this for you guys. Gonna try some for the first time as well. So, it's not a big brick, right? You don't think it's a very big brick? Here's the deal. It's 250 grams. And let's clear this out to take a look at that. Oh, we're shy. I'm going to hit them up about that. In the packaging, it's only 233, 34. It said it was 235 grams. Anyways, so look at these bricks, labeled 1962. I wonder if they measured it in 1962, that's how much it was. See, look at that, 250, it means 250 grams. What's up with that, guys? Anyways, so I was so excited to actually find some of this. I'll put a link in the description for where I got it. I actually, if you do get it from there, I don't get kickbacks or anything, but probably should. I'm gonna open it, try and open it. So honestly, this wasn't that expensive. It was only about $10, and I'm gonna have to end up shaving it off myself and stuff, you know. I don't know if there's supposed to be a better way to do this or whatever, but I've received no formal training on how to open bricks of tea like this. Anyways, so, oh, there's some brittling off the edge right there. I am going to make this all loose leaf status just by putting it in my favorite mug here, close on hand. And actually, I'm not really sure how much to put in there. Typically, I like a double strength tea. And anyways, this is the other brand that I was using. It's from the Prince of Peace, which I like that brand. They got a lot of good stuff out there on the market, but this is what I was using. It's 100 tea bags, and if you check this out, it's only 180 grams. This was about 10 bucks, and this was actually about $9 for this brick, and it's 234 grams. So this is going to go way further, especially when you consider when it's like this, you can brew it or steep it multiple times and be just as happy, because the flavor profile can keep changing when it's something that's aged like so. So I don't know. Like I said, I don't have tons of experience with the how-to. Let's take a whiff of that. Wow. It kind of smells like a raisin, honestly. That's the feeling I get when I smell that. Oh, but it smells fantastic. A lot better than a raisin, in my opinion, actually. But I'm going to break some of this off of here. Let's see if I can get a better... Yeah, let's just break some off. Put it in my mug. That is condensed, man. That is something else. Oh, look at that flake off right there. Look at that. Nice. Oh my gosh, guys. And if you guys aren't tea drinkers but you want the health benefits, which I talk about in my other videos, some of the health benefits of this tea is that it's really a high natural form of GABA or GABA. How does that look? Probably want a little bit more in there because I like strong tea. Pick up some of these spots that fell on the ground. anyways. But yeah, health benefits of GABA: better relaxation, anti-anxiety, anti-stress, better coping with stress. So, like I said, always been pretty excited about this. Smells fantastic. Not like you would think with a aged fermented thing. You wouldn't think it smells so amazing. Or maybe you would. I didn't think it would smell as amazing as it does. Some Pu-Erhs don't have such amazing smells. The Prince of Peace one didn't have too much smell at all, really. I didn't think so. But, alright, let's go ahead and pour a little cup here. Just switch over to ounces. Clear it out. Should put some of these chunks in here. Let's only make it a little 4-ouncer. Got my nice Buno. Quick heat, easy, hot. Alright, we'll let it steep for a couple of minutes. Okay, it's been about 3-minute brew time. I grabbed a lid to put on top of it. Help it keep in some of that heat. And as far as color wise, it's got pretty rich color. Can't really tell. I can't adjust the focus. I can't adjust the exposure. Trying to zoom in. Eventually, when you steep this, it ends up having a nice, dark, rich, kind of coffee-like color, basically. So, let's give this a taste. That's good. It's got very comparable to the Prince of Peace tea. It tastes very much like it. I think usually, maybe it's a little bit stronger taste just because I usually steep it for a lot longer time than this tasting right here, but it's just because I was so excited I didn't want to wait too much longer. But it's a good quality tea. It tastes just as good. If I'll have to keep evaluating this, but basically, I think the Prince of Peace is just as good. You know, did I say that already? So, have to get my tea strainer out. Really need to get one of those tea loose leaf balls once again, basically. But I'm not mad. I can dig some floaties in my tea. Don't really care. Yeah, good stuff, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy.